What's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? Hello, my name is Alex. I go by the Corporate Finesser, and this channel is for women who are new business owners finessing gracefully through life. So y'all, we're about to really break down how you can start your own t-shirt business under $500. At the end of this video, I'm going to pretty much calculate all of the items I list today to show you guys how all of the items are under $500. Proven, so serious. You can start very soon or today if you definitely have the budget. So let's go ahead and just jump into the video. So I previously uploaded a video on how to start your at-home t-shirt business, side hustles during quarantine, about a few months ago, and that video is doing really well. So I thank you guys so much for tuning in and really, seeing what your girl had to share. But I thought it would have been really cool to actually break down and share the cost of what it really takes to start an at-home t-shirt business if you're really interested, just earning some extra income on the side and also creating as well. Full disclaimer though, this video in particular is pretty much talking to the audience who wants to start a heat transfer vinyl t-shirt business. I don't own a screen printer. I don't own one of the DHGate machines, so I can't speak on that. But if you're here because you want to start a heat transfer vinyl t-shirt business, then you're in the right place, my friend. So let me go ahead and just break down what you'll need to really start a t-shirt business at home under $500. You're going to need a vinyl cutter, whether that's a Silhouette, Cameo, that's what I have, or a Cricut machine. A lot of people, use Cricut, so I think that both of them are equally good, to really, perform the job that you want. But let me go ahead and break down that price. Both of them, I think, do very well. It all depends on your preference, what you're looking for. Honestly, I think it comes down to the style when it comes to vinyl cutters and what you really like, because they both do the same exact thing. They just look completely different. Now for the Cricut is retailing at about $199, and you can find that either on the Cricut store, Amazon, Michael's, Joann's and things like that. Whereas the Silhouette Cameo, you're going to be paying around like $275 to $299. So it's a little bit higher, but you can also find that at Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, and then also on the Silhouette America store if you just feel so inclined to just go to that site directly. Okay, so let's talk about heat transfer vinyl. Now there are a bunch of places you can get heat transfer vinyl. You could definitely get heat transfer vinyl by the sheet. You don't have to start off with the roll. So if you're just practicing, I recommend just starting out with the sheets because they're about $2 to $3 a sheet. So you can really cut costs down that way. However, if you wanted to go ahead and just, start off with the rolls and just grow your inventory, then you might want to go ahead and start off with like a 5-foot roll or a 3-foot roll. And those can fluctuate between $8 to like $12 a roll. I'll also list a few places where you can get both your sheet and your roll heat transfer vinyl if you're interested as well. The next item you'll need to have when starting out is a Teflon sheet. Now a Teflon sheet is very helpful when it comes to pretty much protecting your vinyl from the direct heat source that you're going to be using. These retail for about $8 to $9. You can find them on Amazon or like in another craft store too. So these are super affordable, but I highly recommend that when starting out, you have something to really help protect your heat transfer vinyl, because what you don't want to run into is that direct heat source pretty much tarnishing and like kind of crumbling up your vinyl. With the direct heat source, it's just not a good match. Again, recommend using the Teflon sheet as well when starting off so you can prevent, just the damages in the future. So I highly recommend you get there from the jump so you can avoid these mistakes. So let's get into the t-shirts. Now, in the video that I mentioned earlier, I discussed how I get all of my blank t-shirts from Jiffy Shirts. I really love Jiffy Shirts. I haven't used any other source, and I don't think I'll use one anytime soon. And so I'll make sure to leave all the links below for you guys. But I think it'd be good to start out using Jiffy Shirts because Jiffy provides a vast, array of options of low budget t-shirts, kind of like higher end material t-shirts and things like that. So you pretty much don't have to worry about spending a lot of money when it comes to buying blank t-shirts, because I'm telling you, Jiffy is your go-to. You can definitely buy t-shirts for as low as like $1 and some change. Ranging to about $8 per shirt. So again, just depends on your budget, but I highly recommend using Jiffy Shirts to start because you can for sure stay under that threshold if you would like to. The lowest costing t-shirt that's on Jiffy right now, if you're interested, is the Gilded G500 in the color white. So that is the lowest t-shirt that when I did my research by far, because everything else kind of starts at like the $2.77 mark, $3 and go higher. But if you're just starting out and you just want to use white to keep it simple, then you can for sure use that Gildan G500 from Jiffy. Okay, so the last item I'm going to mention as far as being able to start a t-shirt business from home under $500 is your heat source. Of course, the most important, I think. As you guys know, I actually have a heat press that I purchased from eBay. However, you don't need that to start. In fact, when I discovered that I didn't need my heat press to start out and I could have just used my iron just to practice and not have to stress myself out with worrying about, you know, how much is this going to cost me and putting up all that capital up front, I could have just used my handy dandy iron. So when starting out and you just want to practice before you really make that full investment, I highly suggest you guys that you just start with your iron. You use your iron and the Teflon sheet that I mentioned, and you can for sure achieve a great custom t-shirt design all at home. So let's go ahead and add up these prices so you guys can see for yourself how you can start a t-shirt business under $500. Hey friends, what's up? So if you guys didn't know, I am on my journey to reaching 1,000 subscribers and my watch time to become monetized on YouTube, and I really would like your help. So let me go ahead and break down the giveaway details. I'm going to be giving away 5 free t-shirts to 5 lucky winners by doing the following thing. Number 1, you got to subscribe to my channel. Number 2, you got to go to my Etsy shop and favorite my shop, and I'll leave the link in the description box below. And then number 3, after you've done all of that, message me through Etsy by typing new subby, and that's all you have to do. Those are the giveaway details in qualifying to win a free t-shirt of your choice. And then once I select the 5 lucky winners, you'll be able to pick any t-shirt from Black Mantras that you would like. But thank you. Let's jump back into the video. All right friends, I'm going to go ahead and add this up for you guys as promised, so you can see for yourself that you can for sure stay under $500 starting your business, friend. For real. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Cricut machine. So $199.99 plus, let's say if you want to start off with like 3 rolls of the $8 vinyl I was talking about, $24, plus around $13 if you need a new iron. You can find one on Amazon, plus $25.35, and that will get you about 15 of those white blank gilded G500 shirts I was talking about. Okay. And then lastly, $10, and that's going to be for your Teflon sheet. So, will y'all see this? $272.34. Honey, you under $300, okay? Let's run that back. Make sure I got all the numbers right. $199.99 for the Cricut machine, plus $24 for the vinyl, plus $13 for the iron, plus $25.35 for the t-shirts, then another $10 for the Teflon sheet, whatever with taxes. Look at that. $272.34. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing just for the silhouette cameo, because that one's a little bit higher. So I just went ahead and just went to the highest price with the silhouette. So that's $299.99. The same $24 for my vinyl. The same $13 for an iron. $25.35 for the shirts. And again, I think I calculated about 15 of those Gildan G500 shirts that you just get all white. And then plus $10 for the Teflon sheet. And look at that, you're literally just $100 over at $372.34, you guys. So I'm telling you, you can definitely do this. So trust me when I say it is definitely achievable and very affordable to start a t-shirt business, because you don't have to really stress yourself out and trying to get everything at once. You can gradually build yourself up, okay? So you got this. I did want to mention that if you do happen to purchase any of the items I mentioned on Amazon, I will receive a small commission just because I'm an Amazon affiliate partner. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. So that's it for today's video, you guys, on how you can start your at-home t-shirt business under $500. The proof for are in the numbers, y'all. Y'all saw it for yourself. You can definitely start very soon if you have the budget for it today, and then just build yourself up. So I hope that was helpful. As always, don't forget to drink your water, mind your business, and choose yourself first, and I'll be back with more videos for y'all. Peace out.